this is Cara from Cara Tarot with a general reading for Monday, July 7th. I'm doing this reading with the Floral Tarot. I have a walkthrough of this deck on my channel, my deck reviews. I'm just doing a 3-card reading today. A spread by Oak Moon Tarot. What my ego says I should be doing, what my spirit knows I need to do, and what I'm actually doing. Well, the Ten of Swords is my ego says I should be making a total change. I should be making an end of things. And perhaps that means finishing things up, getting things completely done so that I can possibly start over. May also just be telling me that I need some serious rest. We need some serious rest. That could be the message. What your spirit knows you need to do. The Seven of Coins agrees. You do need a rest, but not a complete rest. You need a moment to step back and evaluate what needs to be watered, what you need to just let grow, what perhaps needs to be fenced in or trimmed back. All of these things, but first comes that moment when you evaluate, when you say, okay, how does all of this, everything I'm doing, how does that fit into the big range, the long range picture? Because that's what coins are all about. They're always about the long range picture. And so how is everything I'm doing fitting into that? And is every portion of what I'm doing, all of these things that I'm doing that are killing me, all of those things, any portion of them need to be adjusted so that they're back in alignment with what I need to be doing. And what we're actually doing, yeah, we're actually, presently we're just killing ourselves. We are probably consuming too much social media. We are taking all of these arrows straight into our heart, which is upsetting us, and letting the black birds of misfortune chew at our heart. So we need to more consciously be letting go of things so we can get to this place of evaluation. And I'm going to add an oracle card here from the Animal Allies Birds deck. I think I'll just put it here at the end. This is the Ostrich card. The Ostrich card is, here's what it says. The Ostrich wants you to know, you are not alone, and you are not responsible for holding up the whole world. You get to choose what and to whom you devote your precious energy. The Ostrich wisdom, take time to recharge your spirit, and you'll have more energy to contribute to your highest good. Spending time in nature and away from the news cycle is a solid place to start. Ostriches, their superpowers are authority, deflecting negative vibes, staying grounded, speediness, ability to carry heavy loads. And of course, they're also known for burying their heads in the sand, which is this. This is when you're not taking care of any of this. trying to avoid the fact that you are actually doing this, and what you need to be doing is this. So this ostrich card lines up beautifully with this reading for today. So today I hope you will take control, take your leadership of these things. Stop letting all the minutiae of the everyday world get at your heart, and instead take a step back and reevaluate. See where things are. Take that moment of rest and that breather to regroup and reevaluate. And Monday is a great day to do that. Often you have to hit the ground running, but at the same time make space for that reevaluation. This is Kara from Kara Tarot. Thank you.